Hey there, everyone. Today, I'll be showing you how to reset the oil change light on your Alfa Romeo Stelvio. There are a few different methods to reset the oil light, and it can vary depending on your car's engine. I'll walk you through each of these methods, so stick around and hopefully one of them will solve your problem. So let's try to do it. In this method, we will use the gas pedal. In some cases, we need to step on the pedal 3 times, 6 times, or even 10 times. You need to find out by yourself. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Press the start button once to make the ignition on without cranking the engine. Step 2. Try to press the gas pedal down 3 times, 6 times, or 10 times within 10 seconds. After that, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the next one. If the gas pedal method doesn't help you, try this brake method. This is a unique way that might help you. So let's start the process. Step 1. Hit the start button once to make the ignition on without starting the engine. Step 2. Depress the brake pedal 3 times quickly within 10 seconds. Once it's done, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the next method. In this third method, we will use the gas and brake pedals. It is quite easy, but it needs your attention. So let's go for it. Step 1. Get in the car and make sure the ignition off. Step 2. Push the gas pedal to the floor and leave it there throughout the procedure. Step 3. Push the brake pedal down 6 times and hold it down for 5 seconds on the 6th time. Step 4. Release the brake pedal, but keep the gas pedal depressed, and then push the start button once. Step 5. Once the ignition is on, step the brake pedal down 6 times again and hold it down for 5 seconds on the 6th time. Step 6. Release all pedals and press the start button to turn off the ignition. So that's pretty much it. Please subscribe and check out my other video if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys on the next video.